Day 5 of the CBI investigation, and 7 of Sushant Singh Rajput's close associates were interrogated thoroughly by the investigating agency in Mumbai. This includes his cook, also his friend and flatmate Siddharth Pithani, 3 staffers of Sushant Singh Rajput. Now, importantly, the spotlight is on all these 4 people because they were present on the day when Sushant Singh Rajput had passed away. Sources say that even after several rounds of questioning and recreation of the crime scene, the CBI found inconsistencies in their statement of what were the events which unfolded on 13th and 14th of June, the day Sushant Singh Rajput was found dead. Meanwhile, actors, chartered accountant Sandeep Sridhar and even former accountant Rajat Mewati were grilled by the Central Bureau of Investigation. The CBI will also be questioning the Mumbai police officers who were investigating the case, including senior officials of the rank of the DCP. So this is the latest which is happening as far as the investigation is concerned. Now, all the focus and one question that everybody is asking: when will actor Rhea Chakraborty be questioned? When will the CBI going to summon the actor who has now become the central focus as far as the investigation is concerned after Sushant Singh Rajput's family had accused Rhea Chakraborty of malpractices, of siphoning off money and in fact pushing Sushant Singh Rajput over the edge. The CBI will soon be issuing summon to Sushant's girlfriend, actor Rhea Chakraborty. Her family is also under the lens of the Central Probe Agency. Sources say the CBI will question her at her residence itself. Meanwhile, we have also learned that Rhea has said that she has not received any summon from the CBI as of now, but she added that as soon as she receives the summon, she and her family will be available to join the probe. Rhea and her family have been named as prime accused in the case. India Today accessed the line of questioning that the CBI is now planning as far as Rhea Chakraborty is concerned. The CBI has prepared a list of 19 questions. They may ask Rhea on what led to her leaving Sushant Singh Rajput's residence on June 8th. So far, 4 witnesses related to the case have been grilled in the last 3 days.
Well, Rhea Chakraborty, according to me, will be summoned by the CBI after it has done its spade work. So they are now examining everybody, and then once they are able to, do their homework properly, then only they will start grilling Rhea. So once they start grilling Rhea, and if she does not cooperate with the investigation or she gives evasive answers, then the possibility of her arrest also will arise. So I am quite hopeful that this investigation is going in the right direction, and very soon we will get some result.
The most explosive revelation so far in this case has been made by the Enforcement Directorate, which has, according to sources, told the CBI that Rhea Chakraborty was possessing narcotics, banned substances, and this now is also going to be one big angle that the CBI is going to investigate. Now, ED sources have claimed that they have evidence that Rhea Chakraborty was using narcotic substance. ED also shared proof on Rhea's alleged drug link with the CBI. However, the CBI did not reveal over the type of contraband that Rhea Chakraborty was using. Other than Rhea's alleged drug angle, the Enforcement Directorate has also briefed the CBI on the financial angle associated with the case. Phone data dump analysis have been shared with the CBI of persons grilled by the Enforcement Directorate, including Rhea, her brother and her father. The ED is also probing the money laundering angle into the case after Sushant's father filed an FIR alleging that Rhea Chakraborty and her family have siphoned off 15 crore rupees from Sushant Singh Rajput's account. Going across to my colleague Devesh Singh, who is joining us with more details on this. Devesh, this is the most explosive revelation so far in this case. On what basis is the ED saying that Rhea Chakraborty was not only using, banned substances, contraband, but also has links to certain people, those who have been dealing with narcotics?
Ankit, this is a source-based information that has been received, which says that Ria was using banned narcotic substances and also possessing it. Remember, ED had interrogated, questioned several staffers who were staying with Sushant Singh Rajput. That includes Deepesh Sawant, Keshav, and few others who are Siddharth Pithani and others who were staying in the same flat. In fact, many others had also been summoned by Enforcement Directorate regarding the case, but these were the people who were staying inside the same house. They were staying with Sushant Singh Rajput and Rhea Chakrabarti in the same flat, and sources have told us that from their statements, this has come to light that Rhea was using banned substances, banned narcotic drugs, and she was also possessing it, and that is why this becomes another angle of investigation, because there have been allegations against Rhea by parents, by KK Singh, who's the father of Sushant Singh Rajput, that she somehow managed to control Sushant Singh Rajput. There have been allegations that she was giving him some medicines which deteriorated his health and eventually led to his...
Devesh, those are allegations which have been made so far, but it is part of the investigation. But what I want to understand from you is the fact that when the CBI or the Enforcement Directorate sources are saying that Rhea Chakrabarti was in possession of narcotics, banned substances, and she was using it, are they also revealing whether Sushant Singh Rajput was also using any banned substance?
Ankit, we had run the statement of Neeraj Singh. Neeraj Singh was the last person whom Sushant Singh Rajput had spoken to on 14th of June, the day he was found dead. Neeraj Singh, in his statement to Mumbai police, had revealed that he used to make marijuana cigarettes for Sushant Singh Rajput. Before him, it was Samuel Hawkip who would roll marijuana cigarettes for the actor, and after that, in the last 3 days, he had rolled marijuana cigarettes for the late actor, and he had kept it in a cigarette box close to the staircase, kept in a cupboard. But when the actor died, after that he found that the box was empty. So he, in his statement, he also hinted that Sushant was using marijuana. He was smoking marijuana cigarettes, and now this revelation has come to light through sources from the Enforcement Directorate who told India Today that Rhea was under impression of narcotic substances. So this could be investigated by the Central Bureau of Investigation.
So now this will be an important angle as far as this entire investigation is concerned. How much role did these narcotic substances did play, and what and where will the CBI in fact take this investigation as well? Now these are, ladies and gentlemen, layer by layer, a lot of things that possibly have stayed hidden. I mean, people know about the contraband, the abuse of drugs as far as Bollywood is concerned. But now this investigation also going into details of the actor and their personal life, including the use of banned substances. Now, Devesh, thank you for joining us. I want to, also now shift focus to another important aspect, as Sushant Singh Rajput case is being probed by the Central Bureau of Investigation. The main focus is whether he committed suicide or was there any foul play. Now, Sushant Singh Rajput's friend and acting coach, Naresh Divakar, who in fact also shared the screen with the actor in 2019 Sonchiriya movie, has made a sensational claim. Speaking exclusively to India Today, Divakar claimed that Sushant Singh was murdered as a person like him cannot end his life. Divakar also spoke about his experience working with Sushant Singh Rajput and said the late actor was never depressed and used to talk about science all the time. Divakar also added he lost his contract with Sushant after he started staying with his new gang, Rhea Chakrabarti, Siddharth Pithani and others.
Hi. सुशांत के साथ आपने अभी कौन सी फिल्म करी थी और किस तरह से थे सुशांत, और ये जो सुसाइड या मर्डर ये जो भी चल रहा है, आपको क्या लगता है सुसाइड कर सकते थे?
मैंने सुशांत के साथ फिल्म करी थी सोनचिड़िया।
अच्छा सर।
और वो इंसान जो था बहुत ही ज्यादा एनर्जेटिक, बहुत ही ज्यादा एक्टिव, आईक्यू लेवल में शायद मैंने ऐसा नहीं देखा अपनी जिंदगी के इस 30-31 साल के करियर में। ठीक है जी, खुश मिजाज आदमी, मस्त मौला रहने वाला आदमी, कभी नेगेटिव ना सोचने वाला इंसान मेरी नजर से, और मेरे साथ हमेशा जितने भी मैं 2017 के आखिर से जब तक मुझसे मिला और अभी तक की जो उसकी यादें हैं मेरे साथ, ये मैं अगर बोलूँ तो वो सुसाइड नहीं कर सकता
जी।
और ये सुसाइड है नहीं सर।
आप सेट पर थे सोन चिड़ैया के, कितने
हाँ
वक्त
जी।
तक सेट पे रहे और सेट पे उनका क्या व्यवहार था? क्या कोई डिप्रेशन या कुछ ऐसा?
कभी नहीं सर, मैं तो हमेशा, मैं एक्चुअली उसका कोच भी था।
अच्छा।
मैं उसको एक्टिंग भी सिखा रहा था उसमें, बकायदा आप मेरे बारे में पढ़ सकते हैं IMDb पे, उसमें मैंने इनका एक्टिंग वर्कशॉप किया था स्टार्स का।
अच्छा।
और हाँ जी, मैंने इनका वर्कशॉप दिया था, तो एक मेरा रिलेशन बहुत ज्यादा क्लोज हो गया था। ये भी एक रीजन था कि हम बहुत ज्यादा उठते बैठते थे, हम डिस्कस करते थे, कैरेक्टर पे डिस्कस करते थे। उससे ज्यादा वो मुझे साइंटिफिकली बातें सिखा के चला गया।
अच्छा सर।
हाँ, मैं जो सिखाता था वो तो सिखाता था, वो सीखता था। उसकी कैपेबिलिटी मतलब ऐसी थी, मैं आपको बता दूं, एक रात को मैंने उस लैंग्वेज की स्क्रिप्ट पर उसको डब करके दी सनी सुपर साउंड में।
ओके।
और उसको नेक्स्ट डे वो 11:30 बजे आया बंदा, रीडिंग थी, उस बंदे को वो पूरी जबान याद थी सर। ये IQ लेवल आपको, मैंने तो नहीं देखा, शायद आपने देखा हो, ये उसका IQ लेवल था।
सेट में कभी कुछ ऐसी चीज हुई हो जो आपको लगा हो अजीब सा कुछ?
नहीं सर, कभी सेट पे ऐसा नहीं था, कभी नहीं था। बहुत खुशमिजाज आदमी था। कभी
नहीं, मुझे लगा कभी उन्होंने कुछ ऐसा कुछ किया हो जो रिया से रिलेटेड आया हो, या ऐसा कुछ कुछ फोन ठिका
नहीं,
हो।
वो उस दौर तक तो ये थी ही नहीं मोहतरमा। उस टाइम तक तो ये बिल्कुल कनेक्शन, आई थिंक सो, कभी जिक्र भी नहीं सुना था कभी, ना हमने मीडिया के थ्रू देखा कहीं पे इनका नाम। इवन मैं, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, मैं तो इनकी कोई फिल्म भी नहीं देखी, अभी तक नहीं देखी, मैं तो जानता भी नहीं था इनको। और ये जो इतना मीडिया में उठा है बवाल, इसके बाद जब मैं उनके इंस्टाग्राम वो सब देखता था, तब मुझे पता चलता था, अच्छा भाई साहब आजकल यहाँ जा रहे हैं वहां जा रहे हैं, तो ही पता चलता था। इनके बारे में कभी कोई जिक्र नहीं हुआ उस दौरान तक।
अच्छा, मतलब
हाँ जी।
सेट पे जब फिल्म की आपकी शूटिंग हो रही तो उस दौरान कुछ ऐसा कोई डिप्रेशन, कहीं कोई ऐसे बात आ रही है कि ड्रग्स वगैरह भी लेता था, ऐसा तो ऐसा कुछ?
नॉट एट ऑल, नॉट एट ऑल। अरे खाने का इतना बड़ा शौकीन आदमी था वो, हम लोग डरते थे कि यार ये आदमी क्यों इतना खा रहा है, कोई मोटा ना हो जाए। वो चिकन का बहुत शौकीन था, नो डाउट, बहुत खाता पीता रहता था। हमेशा सेट पे सबसे मस्तियां करना। वो छोटी जो बच्ची थी खुशियाँ, हमारी फिल्म की जो सोन चिड़िया जिस कैरेक्टर का नाम था बच्ची का, उसको हमेशा इंग्लिश सिखाते रहना, उसको बगुनिया कहना, ये सब कुछ ना कुछ, मतलब मस्त मौला कुछ हरकतें होती है ना, करते रहना, क्या हो रहा है, क्या कर रहे हो,
क्योंकि
ये
मैंने
चीजें क्या
सुना
कर
था
रहे हो।
कि इन्होंने सोन चिड़ैया की शूटिंग के दौरान किसी पर कुछ फोन वोन भी फेंका था और कुछ मतलब कुछ
किसी पर नहीं फेंका था, रूम में जब मैं गया तो इन लोग कोई गुस्से में था। ये उस टाइम पे इसने फोन दीवार में देके मारा था।
क्यों सर?
अब ये तो मुझे नहीं पता, मैं तो डर के भाग गया था कि मैंने कैसा क्या हो गया। उस टाइम इसके पास कोई आईफोन था, वो रीजन नहीं पता सर।
मतलब फोन खींच के दीवार पे फेंक दिया था इन्होंने?
हाँ, दीवार में देके मार, नीचे टुकड़े टुकड़े पड़े हुए थे, और मैंने देखा ये हो गया, तो बोला कि भाई गुस्से में है, तो मैं निकल गया वहां से।
तो हाल फिलहाल में अभी कोई बातचीत नहीं हो रही थी आपकी?
नहीं नहीं, ये आफ्टर, ये अगर ये कहें तो ये इन लोगों के पास जो नया ग्रुप इसके साथ ज्वाइन हुआ है, मेरा कनेक्शन कट ऑफ हो गया इनसे।
नया ग्रुप कौन सा सर?
यही वाला जो पिठानी वगैरह लोग हैं, ये सारे जो दीपेश वगैरह ये लोग हैं, इनके बारे में इनको जानता भी नहीं।
तो ये जो तमाम ये थ्योरीज आ रही है कि ये दवाई इनको थी, डिप्रेशन था, दवाई ले रहे थे, ये जब आपके सेट पर फिल्म की शूटिंग हो रही थी तब नहीं था ऐसा कुछ?
आप देखिए ना, आप पीछे के अगर थोड़ा सा फ्लैशबैक में जाएंगे, जो
जी।
इंसान एकदम एक्टिव रहता हो, ठीक है, मस्त रहता हो, शिव की भक्ति करता हो, शिव में लीन रहता था वो आदमी, तो अचानक से आप ये 1 साल बाद कट को आप देखते हैं कि ये सारा सुनने में आ रहा है, उसका फेस देखिए कैसा सूजा हुआ सा है। एक्टर क्या कभी ऐसा रहता है? इवन इनके आने के बाद कहते हैं कि दवाई खा रहा था, डिप्रेशन में था, बाइपोलर कहना शुरू कर दिया। तो कहीं ना कहीं सर दाल में काला नहीं, मुझे तो पूरी दाल काली नजर है। जब ईडी के जो दस्तावेज आए हैं, इन्होंने निकाले हैं स्टेटमेंट, और भारी भरकम की मात्रा में आपने पैसा ट्रांसफर किया है। पहले फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी फैमिली की होती है ना हर जगह, कि फैमिली बोलती है कि भाई ये करना है वो करना है। आप देखिए कैसे ट्रांसफर हो रहा है इतना पैसा, कौन करता है? आप वाइफ तो थे।
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.